If you've been waiting to upgrade your drone, you might want to hold off just a little longer. The DJI Air4 is shaping up to be one of the biggest drone releases from DJI, and recent leaks suggest it could deliver some of the most significant camera upgrades we've ever seen in the Air series. While DJI hasn't officially announced the drone yet, certification listings, prototype sightings, and multiple industry leaks have given us a surprisingly clear picture of what could be coming. The biggest talking point is the camera system. According to several reliable leaks, DJI is reportedly testing the Air 4 with an upgraded dual camera setup that could feature dual 1-inch CMOS sensors. If this rumor proves accurate, it would be a major leap over previous Air models and could dramatically improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. A pair of larger sensors would also allow creators to switch between wide-angle and telephoto shots without sacrificing image quality, making the Air 4 a serious option for travel filmmakers, photographers, and content creators. Some reports are more conservative and suggest DJI may instead use a 1-inch main sensor paired with a smaller telephoto camera, so the final camera configuration remains unconfirmed. Video performance is also expected to receive a noticeable boost. Although no official specifications have been confirmed, industry sources expect improved image processing, better HDR recording, cleaner low-light footage, and enhanced color science. DJI has consistently improved its processing pipeline with each generation, so many expect the Air 4 to capture sharper footage with less noise while maintaining the smooth, cinematic look creators love. If DJI includes higher bitrate recording and expanded color profiles, it could become one of the most capable drones in its class. Another area expected to improve is obstacle avoidance. Prototype information suggests DJI is working on an upgraded omnidirectional sensing system, possibly with enhanced LiDAR assistance for better obstacle detection in low-light conditions. This would make automated flight modes much safer, especially when flying at sunrise, sunset, or in shaded environments where traditional vision sensors struggle. Improved active track performance is also rumored, allowing the drone to follow moving subjects more accurately through complex environments. Flight performance could be another major selling point. Most leaks suggest the DJI Air 4 may offer around 38 to 40 minutes of flight time, slightly improving on previous Air models thanks to better battery efficiency and refined aerodynamics. That extra flying time gives pilots more freedom to capture longer cinematic sequences without worrying about returning to home too quickly. DJI is also expected to continue refining wind resistance and flight stability, making the Air 4 even more dependable in challenging conditions. When it comes to transmission, reports indicate DJI could introduce the newer O4 Plus transmission system, providing longer range, lower latency, and a more reliable live video feed. Some rumors even mention O5 transmission, but those claims currently have less supporting evidence. Either way, users should expect a smoother connection between the drone and controller, particularly when flying in areas with wireless interference. Interestingly, there are conflicting reports regarding the drone's size. Some prototype sightings and certification information suggest DJI could be developing a sub-250-gram Air 4, which would make it much easier to fly under regulations in many countries. Other leaks point toward a larger aircraft that remains closer to the Air 3S in size. Until DJI officially unveils the drone, its final weight remains one of the biggest unanswered questions. Let's talk about pricing. DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, but based on previous Air series launches and current rumors, the standard DJI Air 4 could start somewhere around $899 to $999, while the Fly More combo may land between $1,199 and $1,399, depending on the final hardware and included accessories. If DJI introduces dual 1-inch sensors, a premium price would certainly make sense considering the significant camera upgrade. As for the release date, recent certification filings strongly suggest the drone is moving closer to launch. Most industry insiders now expect the DJI Air 4 to arrive in late 2026, although some believe availability could extend into early 2027, depending on regulatory approvals in different regions. The certification activity is one of the strongest indicators yet that DJI is preparing the product for release, even though the company has remained completely silent so far. Overall, the DJI Air4 is already generating huge excitement because it appears to combine professional-level imaging with DJI's proven flying technology. If even half of the rumored upgrades become reality, this could easily become one of the best all-around drones for creators who want premium camera quality without stepping up to the larger Mavic lineup. Of course, until DJI makes everything official, these details should still be treated as rumors. But one thing is clear. The Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated drone launches of the year, and it may redefine what pilots can expect from a mid-range aerial camera platform.